Proper cleaning is an integral part of effective microfiltration. If the unit is not cleaned adequately, it can negatively impact the flux and overall efficiency of filtration. First, leftover retentate should be drained from the tank. Then, the tank has to be thoroughly rinsed with RO water, both inside and outside, including the underside of the lid. Before cleaning can begin, the source for the heat exchanger must be switched out to hot water. For caustic cleaning to be effective, the cleaning solution temperature must be maintained at 80 degrees Celsius, no more than 85 degrees Celsius. Similarly, the acid cleaning solution must be heated to 50 degrees Celsius and no more than 55 degrees Celsius. The first step in cleaning is an RO water rinse. The feed tank is first filled with RO water. The valve setup should be similar to that used during processing, with the permeate and retentate lines set to drain to the floor. This will allow for residual retentate in the membrane circuit to drain out prior to recirculating the rinse water. After running for 20 seconds, the valve will be switched to allow for recirculation. This should be run for 10 minutes. Note that it is important to use specifically RO water to avoid fouling of the membrane by minerals that might be present in regular tap water. Caustic cleaning is the next step following the RO water rinse. After draining water from the unit, the tank should be rinsed again and refilled with RO water to the cleaning line. 800 milliliters of Ultrasil 25 per 50 liters of RO water will be measured out carefully and added to the feed tank. It is standard safety practice that cleaning chemicals are always added to water, instead of water added to chemicals. During this step, goggles and gloves must be worn for personal safety. During caustic cleaning, the three-way retentate valve is set to about 50% opening. This keeps the draining line and the recirculation line partially open so they both can be cleaned. Additionally, the retentate draining line is inserted into the tank so that the caustic solution is recirculated. The permeate valve should be set to drain, with the drain line also inserted into the tank for recirculation. The pump can then be turned on and cleaning can start. Caustic cleaning should be completed for 30 minutes at 80 degrees Celsius. To heat the solution and maintain the temperature, steam is used to heat up the water going through the heat exchanger using the steam mixing station. When using steam for heating, proper safety procedures must be followed to ensure user safety. Water should always be turned on first, then followed by steam. Heat and moisture-resistant gloves and goggles must be worn as a safety measure. Note that ceramic membranes are susceptible to heat shock. Because of this, it is important that the steam is controlled to increase water temperature at the rate recommended by the membrane manufacturer. Once the water temperature reaches 80 degrees Celsius, the 30-minute cleaning cycle can begin. Once the caustic cleaning is complete, steam should be turned off before stopping the pump and draining the tank. It is important that the steam valve is the first to be closed, then followed by the water valve. Following the caustic cleaning, the next step is another 10-minute RO water rinse, following the same procedure used as for the first water rinse. Acid cleaning is carried out using the same equipment setup as for the caustic cleaning, with the exception that the parameters for effective cleaning are 50 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. The concentration of cleaning solution is 5 milliliters of nitric acid per liter of water. After the acid cleaning step is completed, the unit must go through another RO water rinse, which is followed by a final water flux. The data here will be compared to the initial water flux to determine if the cleaning process was effective.